Antonyms Unleashed, exploring opposites in English vocabulary. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of antonyms in English, under the segment of reading and writing. Antonyms, as you may recall, are words that have opposite meanings. Understanding antonyms is an excellent way to enhance your vocabulary and sharpen your English skills. So, let's get started. Antonyms are everywhere in the English language. They bring contrast and flavor to our conversations and writings. For instance, consider the words hot and cold. These words are antonyms because they express opposite concepts. Similarly, happy is the antonym of sad. Spotting antonyms and using them correctly can add depth to your communication. Let's look at some everyday examples to further understand the concept of antonyms. 1. High, low. 2. Inside, outside. 3. Day, night. 4. Young, old. 5. First, last. 6. Start, finish. Try to come up with your own examples. This practice will help reinforce your understanding of antonyms. Now, we know what antonyms are and have seen some examples. Let's practice using them in sentences. Despite the high temperatures during the day, the night was surprisingly low. I prefer reading inside during the day, but I love to read outside at night. Young or old, everyone enjoys a good story. Practice creating sentences with other antonym pairs as well. Why are antonyms so important in vocabulary development? Well, knowing antonyms can help you understand and remember new words. For example, if you know the word bright and learn that dull is its antonym, you now have a better grasp of what dull means. It's like doubling your vocabulary every time you learn a new antonym pair. And there we have it, a deep dive into the world of antonyms. Remember, understanding and using antonyms effectively can greatly enhance your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement in no time. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in our English language learning series. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.